Now, if you really want to taste chicken rice balls in Malacca, you really gotta get out real early because they usually sell out by 11 o'clock in the morning. Don't worry, if you can't get there in time, I'm just gonna show you how to make an easy one. Now I'm using jasmine white rice because it's got like a nice fragrance to it as well as the natural stickiness that you need in order to make the balls. And over here I've got some glutinous rice. I'm gonna add it to a bowl and then I'm gonna soak this glutinous rice for at least 2 hours. We're not gonna wait for 2 hours because I've got one that's pre-soaked here for 2 hours. So the next part is actually to wash our jasmine white rice. So first wash. Why do we always need to wash the rice? It's because we want to remove dirt as well as excess starch to it. Now the starch is going to help the rice to stick, so you're not going to wash all of them away. So I would say instead of washing them 6 times like what you normally do for when making regular rice, you'll wash this for about 3 times and that should be enough. Okay, now to the next part is our chicken. Now I always want to season our chicken first. We're going to salt it and drizzle it with a bit of sesame oil. So I'm using chicken breast over here. If you got like chicken breast with skin on, even better. And so to our chicken, I'm going to add a bit of sesame oil. There you go. Give it a good rub. Then we're going to sprinkle a bit of white pepper. And that's it. We're gonna leave this to set aside for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, time for the rice. I'm using a rice cooker over here, as you can see. Now if you don't have a rice cooker, don't worry, you can just use a regular deep pan where you can just cook your rice as you normally would. But a rice cooker is such a lifesaver, I'll tell you. If you're on a busy day, this is going to help you create that wonderful, delicious meal. Now the rice for a chicken rice ball has got to be really fragrant. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut up the aromatics. First of all, we need some ginger. I'm going to use quite a bit of ginger because we need that nice ginger aroma and spice to it. Just going to slice my ginger. We've got our ginger slices ready. Next, we're going to get the whole bulb of garlic. Now, cool thing about this recipe is you don't even need to peel your garlic. Just going to slice this into half, and that's it. Now, let's bring our rice cooker to the middle. Okay, here's our rice cooker. Now what we're going to do in there is we're going to add some cooking oil to it. The oil is important because it gives the rice the shine that you need. Now that our oil is ready, let's throw in the aromatics first. Let's throw in the ginger first. And then the garlic as well. And just give this a good stir. It smells amazing already. Next part guys, we're going to add the rice in. This is our jasmine rice. And then this is our glutinous rice that we soaked for 2 hours. I'm gonna pour away the water first. We don't need that much water for this. Let's add in our glutinous rice. Mix them well. Now you want to saute the rice in the cooker for about 2 minutes. Next, let's pour in our chicken stock. Finally, let's put in our chicken. That's gonna be cooking on top of our rice. This is such an easy one-pot meal, guys. Right, next thing, close it up. Oh my god, guys, there's something super stupid I need to tell you. I did not realize that I wore my apron the other way around. Look, idiot. Oh my god, oh, come on, Will. Stop being such an idiot and get on with it, the cooking. While the chicken rice is cooking in the rice cooker, we're gonna make the sauce. So this sauce is to drizzle on the chicken itself to make it more flavorful. Right here I've got some light soy sauce. What I'm gonna do next is add a bit of Mak Tok sweet soy sauce. And after that, we're gonna add some sesame oil, some water. Finally, let's add some light brown sugar. Give this a good mix. Then, let's taste it. Perfect. Okay, pop this aside. Let's crack on with the next part, which is the cucumber. We're gonna slice it and this will serve as our side. There we go. our cucumber fan is ready. Yo, our chicken rice is done. Whoa, amazing. The first thing that we need to do right now is to remove the chicken. There we go. So normally what they will do is they'll smash the chicken to flatten it up. So I don't have a cleaver, I'm just going to try with this knife and see if it works. This is not nice. Then next part is slicing them up. Now in Malaysia, a lot of street food vendors actually smash their chicken first. Reason is because they want to make it more flavorful, because once you add the sauce in, the chicken absorbs it. But for me, I think they just want to make it look more so that they can give you less chicken in a way. So here we go. This is our amazing chicken. There we go. Amazing. I'm gonna drizzle it with a bit of our sauce. And finally, let's work with the rice. So with the rice, we're gonna make it into a ball. Now before that, let's take out all the aromatics. Then don't throw away the aromatics, because you can still use them to make a delicious ginger garlic kind of condiment on the side. I've got a video for that, so if you just click this link and you'll see that. So what you do is take like about just a nice handful of it. Let's do this. Just pop it on the side with your chicken rice. Look how cute! I'm gonna garnish it with a bit of green onions or spring onions. An iconic Hainanese chicken rice balls will not be complete without a garlic chili sauce. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. I'm gonna pop it into one of my rice here. Garlic chili sauce on top. There we go. It brings back so much memory of the time I had in Malacca with my family. The rice ball is chewy and fluffy at the same time, and it absorbs the flavors from the chicken so damn good. And the garlic chili sauce just gives it a nice aromatic garlicky hit to it, and it's perfect, guys. I hope you'll try this one out. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just pop them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi!